Hi, I'm Rosalie and I'm an artist, and I'm going to show you how to draw a German Shepherd dog step by step realistically. Okay, so I'm going to start with his head. German Shepherd has distinctive triangular upward pointing ears, giving them a very alert appearance. And there's the snout, the muzzle, which is dark kind of. Their markings are like that. And the ears are dark too. Here's the eyes. And there's this sort of jowls. And they have pretty dense plush fur. They're a very intelligent breed of dog. They're used for police work a lot and stuff. And coming around here, this is the front legs. And the paws. And there's the other one. They have a sort of, they have kind of a crouch in their posture, and their hindquarters are lower than their shoulders, quite a bit. This one is actually standing up on something. I'm going to draw that in. There's some of their hair, and then their hind legs come down like this. And they're like that. And they have a pretty brushy, fluffy tail that comes down too. And this one is sort of on something that's sloping up a little bit. He's like looking up out over it. There's his nose. His eyes. And that is how I draw a German Shepherd realistically, step by step.